Hello all, welcome to the Ronnie Studio. Today I'll make one app which is you can convert your website into an Android app. Actually, yesterday I got a request from the one user. He need the app, like he has a website and he want to convert his website in a simple web view app. So today I'm posting this wonderful app for you all. Convert your website to an Android app. These are the few screens. Like this is a splash screen. You can change your logo as you want. This is the home screen. So in the bottom navigation I add three tabs. One is home, second one is copy link, third one is share. So it's a share screen. When you click on any URL, when you click on your any post, you copy that link and you can share that link to your any app, any kind of social network like WhatsApp, Facebook, anything. And just you want to copy the link. For example, he click on the one post in that website and you want to only share that link, so he can just copy, he can just click on copy link. The link will be copied and you can share anything. I'll give you exactly demo on the of APK after that, so you will get to know how it is. This is the exit screen. When someone want to exit the app, the screen will pop up. Also, I'll make some features like no internet connection. When there is a no internet connection, there is a dialog box coming for the setting screens or exit screen. So you have to do only two things. If you want this app, if you want this app, you get this code. You have to change only two things: one, your logo, and second, your URL. Apart from that everything is working fine. So we will get the code. And obviously this is not available in free UI kit. This is available in premium kit, which is $1 UI kit. So I'm not charging any different kind of any different rupees for only this project. If you pay the $1 UI kit, under the $1 UI kit, which is the $12 for the year, so you will get all the code along with this kit. Means if you have to pay only the $12, so you will get all the kits under this one UI kit. Almost 32 plus source code you will get in $12. Okay. And you will get all the access till the 2020, till this year. I'm trying to upload at least two kits in a month, so you will get lot of UI kits, lot of different categories UI kit in $12. Okay, so let's start with the demo. I'll give the quick demo of the APK, so you will get to understand. If you guys you like the demo, so go to the ronniestudio.com and get it. And do comment if you have any question regarding this $12 EVA kit or regarding this demo. Please comment. Please subscribe my channel and do share with any social platform. And if you like my video, please hit the like button. Thank you so much.